Early on Sunday morning, while it was still dark, Mary Magdalene and the other women made their way to the tomb where Jesus had been buried. When they arrived, they were astonished to find that the massive stone had been rolled away from the entrance of the tomb. Suddenly, a glorious angel appeared before them, his face shining like lightning and his clothes as white as snow, and the guards trembled with fear. The angel spoke to the women with comforting words, saying, "Do not be afraid, for I know you are looking for Jesus who was crucified, but he is not here. He has risen from the dead, just as he promised. Come and see the place where he was lying, then go quickly and tell his disciples this wonderful news." Filled with overwhelming joy and amazement, the women ran from the tomb to share the greatest news the world has ever known, that Jesus Christ is alive.